Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to make a reverse video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's see the output. Yes, now we are moving into the subject. So this is my sample video. Just open Adobe Premiere Pro, new project, and give the name, choose a location and click OK. Now I would like to import the video. Just drag and drop in your timeline. Your video will import here. Just play the video. Yeah. So now you want to divide from video and audio separate link. Just right click and make unlink and remove audio part. Just play the video. Yeah. Just play the video. From here I want to make a reverse. Using razor tool you can cut your video. So I want only this part, I don't want this part. Just select and use delete key. You can delete the video. You can play and see. Yes. So now I would like to have a copy of this video. Just press Alt key and make a duplicate of the same video. You can play and see. Yes. So the same video is playing again and again. Now I would like to change a reverse part in second video. Just use right click on your video and go to speed duration and select reverse speed and click OK. Yeah. Now your effects is added in your video. Just play the video. Yeah. So this is the easiest step. You can make a video from front to backward. Yeah. So this is the easiest way. Now I would like to show you how to speed up your video. I would like to take one more video for this and keep on the timeline and right click, unlink, remove the audio file. You can play the video. This is a very slow video. So I would like to show the introduction of my screen. So the top view drone shot, just showing the vehicles are moving around one place to another place. So this is a very slow motion. This happened. I want to make a speed up in this video and I want to zoom in to go inside the road. How to make that? The same option, just right click on your video, click speed and duration and select speed up, similarly 400. I just make a 400. Your video is shrinked because you increase the speed line so that your video is shrinked. Just play, you can see the speed up. Yeah. You want to make more speed up, you can make more speed up. This is 400%. Just right click speed up duration, just make a 2000 and play the video. Yeah. So this is what I want. Now I want to make zoom into my video. It just comes to my eyes place. So how to make that? Just click effects. You will find out the different kind of options, position, scale. Just select your video front and click scale. Yeah, so scale is 100%. Just to move your screen little bit and make your scale little zoom. Yeah, again just to move the same, just make little more zoom and make. So your timeline is adding here your animation. Just select the keys and right click, make ease in. so it is automatically changed is in. So this is the easiest step. Without any template, you can make your video with the speed up option. Now I would like to take a output. Just go to File, Export, Media, and give your output file name and click Export. So this is the easiest way you can make your video as a reverse format and make your video speed up and zoom in option. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.